Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn area and perimeter problems together, step by step. The perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of a shape. To find it, we add up the length of every side. Think of walking around the edge of a garden. The area is the amount of space inside a shape. For a rectangle, we find area by multiplying the length times the width. Area is measured in square units, like square feet. Take a rectangle 5 units long and 3 units wide. The perimeter is 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3, which is 16 units. The area is 5 times 3, which is 15 square units. Imagine a garden 6 feet long and 2 feet wide. The perimeter is 16 feet, so that is how much fence you need. The area is 12 square feet, which is the space inside for planting. Perimeter is the distance around, so add all the sides. Area is the space inside, found by length times width for a rectangle. Remember to use square units when you measure area. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.